Ninja Legend. Season 1 Episode 1 The Candle Born in Storm. Main character Raikou. Clan Ninja. Born with 1.5% Kundalini. Tagline: Some sparks are unseen until the world goes dark. Scene 1 Temple of Breath. The ceremony begins. The great hall is filled with ninja children standing proudly in rows. Above them towers the glowing Kundalini pole, blessed by the gods. Head monk speaks. The pole does not judge. It only shows what breath was given to you. You are ninja, born of discipline and stillness. The path begins with your truth. Scene 2 Raikou, the Quiet One. Clan Ninja. Age 12. Hair short and ordinary. No clan marks. No family name. Known only as Raikou of the East Wall village. He approaches quietly, eyes down, heart calm. He whispers to himself, even if it's low, I will still climb. He touches the pole. Scene 3 The result shocks the room. The pole glows faintly. Numbers appear. Kundalini, 1.5%. Gasps fill the room. That's below house level. He's basically nothing. Only 1.5%? He won't even make it to village rank. Raikou bows without reaction. He walks back to his spot and sits in stillness. Scene 4 Training begins. He's the worst. The instructors begin ninja combat drills. Raikou runs slower than others. His breathing form is off. His strikes are soft. An instructor says quietly, he'll probably drop out before the first exam. But Raikou never gives up. Scene 5 Nightfall, the spark. At night, all other students sleep. But Raikou sits alone beneath the moonlight, meditating. He breathes in and out. Nothing fancy. No power. Just calm. And for a moment, the wind bends around him. A single candle on the stone lights itself. He doesn't see it. But the head monk watching from afar does. He was given 1.5%. But what he will become is not something this pole can predict.